Welcome back to Benny and Beyond. I'm Fionn.
And I'm Reese.
And we have been exploring Scotland and the NC 500 in our Volkswagen T4 Benny. Throughout snowy conditions and icy roads, we have seen some beautiful sights, like this pyramid, this guy having a scratch, and that old man over there. We've stayed in some truly amazing spots, and we've seen even better views. So please join us as we complete one of the best road trips the UK has to offer. Sadly, the time has come for us to leave the Isle of Skye. We headed back onto the mainland with the Jits into the Sunset podcast to keep us company.
There's so much to see. You can spend months there exploring, or you can spend a week there and still see so much.
Here it is.
So you may recognise this castle. It's in James Bond, Skyfall, right?
Yeah.
Skyfall.
This is where him and Judi Dench meet up, I believe.
It's been a while since we watched the film.
Now we want to rewatch it. It's actually really pretty.
It's a lovely little castle. What would you say that's a castle?
It is more of a manor.
Yeah, it's like in between a castle and a manor.
We're Welsh, we know what a castle is.
Yeah, we've seen many a castle. I'm not sure if that quite qualifies, guys.
So, our next stop off on the journey to Loch Lomond is Glenfinnan Viaduct. If anyone knows Harry Potter,
Yep.
pretty sure everybody does,
Yeah.
this is where the steam train came along the viaduct. So
With the flying car.
With the flying car.
We're having a film day today, apparently, looking at all the film sites.
So we'll show you that now.
Sadly, no steam train for us today. I think they only run from April onwards in season, but the viaduct itself is so pretty.
And there it is. How cool is that? Because Hogwarts is just that way.
After leaving the viaduct, we arrived at a very wet and foggy Loch Lomond for the night.
Bon appetit! Joined by some rugby. Banging. Good morning. We are still in Scotland. We are in Loch Lomond and the Trossachs.
Yep.
I think that's how you say it. It's lovely. It's just pissing it down.
The thing is, it's raining and it's also very foggy.
Yeah.
So we could go on a hike, but we'd be wet.
Yeah.
And once we get anywhere, we won't be able to see.
Exactly.
So I think we're going to have to leave it and come back another day.
Yes. So this is our last morning in Scotland, unfortunately. We're going to drive through Glasgow on the way home. And then we're going to hit the Lake District.
Yep.
We found a Toby Carvery for dinner. Oh, I can't wait.
Especially on a wet day, having a nice roast dinner. Oh,
Yeah.
love it.
And then I think we're staying in the Lake District tonight. And then tomorrow we head back to South Wales.
Yeah, end of our trip.
End of our trip, unfortunately.
It's been nice though.
It's been great. We've had a great time.
Yeah.
It's been fun doing it in the van for the first time.
Nice. And hopefully you've enjoyed watching it.
Yeah, hopefully. 100% recycled.
That's an interesting She's the most beautiful. There she is. You hungry, love? So we've just parked up for the night in a little cool spot, really. We've had our Toby Carvery, We had a little walk on Keswick, so if it's a bit windy and it's raining, so I'm getting peppered here. And she's nice and dry.
Wish we had more time to explore the Lake District. It's quite sad that we only have like one day at the beginning and one day at the end, really. Like we really enjoyed exploring Keswick yesterday. It was really lovely. They got like loads of little cute bakeries and stuff and little shops, and it would have been nice to explore them in the daytime. And like here, I think this is Thirlmere, and there's loads of lovely hikes and like walks around the lakes here, and we just don't have time to do them, and also it's pissing it down, which is a shame. So I think definitely on the Benny and Beyond list is a week perhaps in the Lake District. Would anyone be interested in that? It probably wouldn't be early this year, maybe towards the end or early next year, with a bit more preparation for the rain. But we would definitely like to explore the Lake District a lot more. It is beautiful here. I do see the hype.
There's daffodils.
Some roundabout daffodils. Okay. Just stopped for lunch. I'll give you 2 guesses. Nah, you're wrong. It's Mackey's.
It's Mackey's. It's Mackey's.
Where else are you gonna go on the motorway? You know?
You're not spoiled for choice.
No. This or like maybe a Burger King.
I do like Burger King though.
Tell us your favourite fast food place in the comments, because we're always looking to try new stuff, or what your favourite thing on a menu is so we can try it.
Yeah.
Because we love trying new like bits and bobs at takeaways and fast foods.
Like
so
that
let
one.
us know. So our last stop on our Scotland NC 500 journey was Pistich Rhaiada.
Not at all in Scotland.
No, not in Scotland, in Wales. I'll put it on the screen for you. It's the highest waterfall in Wales. Stands at 80 metres tall. It's surrounded by like rolling hills and like slate hills, I think.
Yeah. And top it off, we got engaged here.
Yeah, we got engaged here about 1.5 years ago now. So it's a really special spot to us. It's lovely here. It's like mid-Wales. So if you're coming down south,
Slightly
or you're going...
more north, maybe?
Yeah, like mid to north. So if you're coming down south, you're going up north, we'd recommend stopping here.
Oh yeah.
There's like a little cafe as well. They do food.
Try and park on the side.
Not in the car park.
In the car park, there's £5. But if you're push comes to shove, there's parking in here.
Yeah. We'd recommend because it's lovely.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Get some shots. Got engaged.
Over there.
There.
Thank you so much for watching our Scotland series. We really hope you've enjoyed.
Yes.
We hope the video's turned out okay.
We haven't started them yet.
We haven't even got home yet.
Yes, yeah. So we're on our last stop right now. Quite a meaningful spot, I would say.
Yeah, definitely. A really good way to end the trip.
Yes. So we're gonna leave it here, and hopefully we made something out of all the footage we took.
Yeah. We've had an amazing time, and if you are considering going to Scotland, we highly recommend. It has been one of our we must go there places, and I'm so glad it was our first trip in the van.
Yeah. And the next one will most likely be West Coast Wales.
Yeah.
We grew up on the southwest, but we've never really explored the entire west coast.
Yeah.
So probably start from the north, we'll do a little bit of a Wales road trip.
Yeah, like say starting from Anglesey maybe. So if anybody has been to the west coast or has been up to Anglesey and you have any recommendations of things to see, places to stay, park ups, anything like that, we are all ears to make the trip as good as we can. Anyway, we
Thank you very
really
much for
hope
watching.
you've enjoyed,
Yes.
and we'll see you in the next video.
Back to the van! It's soaking! Come on, love! Oh no, she's fallen behind!